We got some breaking news that's coming in right now on the broadcast. A big update as far as the Rajendra Nagar tragedy probe is concerned. The probe will now be carried out by the CBI as far as the coaching center deaths are concerned. The case involves the negligence on part of the government officials. The court had been hearing this matter. The court was not happy with the kind of probe that was underway. It had also pointed out earlier as well that MCD officials were not arrested and just a passerby who had nothing to do with what happened had been arrested, and the junior officers had been suspended while the senior officers of the MCD were relaxing in their AC chambers. The court had indicated what it wanted to do, and now this entire probe has been transferred to the CBI. In fact, during the hearing, the MCD commissioner has also made a big admission. The MCD commissioner has said that none of the stormwater drains were functioning. The stormwater drains have been encroached. This is what the MCD commissioner has also admitted. The MCD has assured action against the officials, and the probe will now be completed in a time-bound manner. Right, so my colleague Nikhil joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Nikhil, now this is a big update. The court there clearly had summoned the MCD commissioner, the DCP, all the relevant officers to actually understand what is happening there, and it has now realized the fact that this was not a probe that was underway. Like it rightly pointed out earlier, this was a joke that was being done under the garb of actually an investigation, and now it has decided to transfer this entire case to the CBI, which will now complete this investigation in a time-bound manner.
Well, clearly, and this has taken place after the arrest of Manoj Kathuria, who is now being released by the court of law, and it appears like the Delhi High Court is clearly unhappy with the kind of investigation which has been carried out by the Delhi police in this particular matter, and in series of the same. Today, the Delhi High Court asked the senior officers from the side of the Delhi police and from the side of the MCD as well to appear in person. So, MCD commissioner along with the DCP of the respective area of the Delhi police, they all appeared before the court of law, and clearly they have said that we were under the stress, and this entire investigation, which is part of the procedure, which has been done under the stress. This is the reason why some fault may have taken place. But this is something which has been addressed by the court of law as well, saying that that we all are already under the stress, but you cannot behave in such a way. And court yet again lashed out on the MCD commissioner, saying that time and again we have seen that laxity is something which has been observed from the side of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi. The drainage are not clear, especially the storm drainage, which are usually used at the time of the monsoon. And this is something which has also been accepted by MCD Commissioner Ashwini Kumar, who is the in charge of the overall thing. So this is something which has taken place in the court of law. But the big update which is coming in from this entire incident and this hearing as well is that the case has now been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Remember, there was this demand which were being raised by the protesting aspirants, so to say, in the old Rajendra Nagar that we just...
Right, Nikhil, like you rightly pointed out, a big update as far as the Rajendra Nagar tragedy probe is concerned. The court now acting tough, not just pulling up the senior officials, the MCD commissioner, but also ensuring that this investigation, which it earlier had called a joke, does not carry forward anymore. The case will now be handled by the CBI, which will be responsible for ensuring that a time-bound investigation takes place, and also there is a justice that is meted out to all these three students that actually passed away because of the negligence of the officials and also the system failure that a lot of students have also been alleging, right?